I'm just laying here, and you're like, give me pets. Give me pets. Give me pets. Give me pets and breakfast. Yeah. It's not nice now, is it? Didn't think so. So stop doing it.
Let me in. Let me in. Let me in, please.
He enjoys it until he stops, I think. He's like, whoa, 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 and stop.
Stop it! No!
Что за поза? Здесь тебе видно? She keeps sinking because she's laying in empty space. My feet are oh. Oh, heck.
Bro, where the fuck am I, bro? What the fuck, Apple Maps? Nah, bro, fuck Apple Maps, bro. What the fuck is this?
When mom won't let you outside.
Oh no. Don't.
Bernard! Bernard! Get down!
Bernard!
Bernard!
I can't even.
What's that smelly stuff?
Yeah? Oh my god!
Go.
Be so for real right now. Don't. Put your head back. Put your head.
Mama told me not to, I did it anyway, misbehaving. Daddy said don't, but I said it anyway.
Help is on the way, dear! Mrs. Doubtfire! Help is on the way!
Ay.
Te vas a quemar. Ven aquí. Zuko. ¡Ey! Chingada madre. Niño. Come here, Zuko. No. Oh.
You don't see him yet. And then you do.
Oh my God.
Peter, leave her alone. Stop. No, stop. She doesn't want you to hold her hand. Get off of her. Look at her. Peter.
Salem. Hi.
Lyra, I'm gonna take away your window privileges if you keep doing this. Get down. Get down. Hey, you're gonna lose window privileges. Get off.
This is what I call karma. Were you playing with something you shouldn't have got? Okay, I'm coming. You've not learned your lesson, have you? You're a nightmare. Put? Oh.
Bagheera?
Manners.
You really, really want this cheese, don't you? That's good manners. You ready? You turn. Very good. Can you be cute?
I don't know.
Very good. Do you love Mama? Very good, Bagheera. Come here. Manners, please. That was a good Mama. Mama? Good boy.